Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down something you've definitely heard of. PayPal. What is it? How does it work? And should you use it in 2025? Let's find out. Section 1. What is PayPal? At its core, PayPal is an online payment platform that lets you send and receive money, shop online, and manage your funds, all without directly using your credit card or bank account every time. Think of it as a digital wallet that keeps your financial info safe while making payments faster and easier, both for personal and business use. Section 2. How does PayPal work? Here's how PayPal works, step by step. Step 1. Create a free PayPal account using your email address. Step 2. Link your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Step 3. You can now send money to friends, pay for online purchases, or even receive payments. Bonus: you don't need to enter your card info every time you buy something online, just log in with your PayPal account. Security: PayPal uses encryption and fraud monitoring to keep your data safe. It also offers buyer protection, meaning you can dispute transactions if something goes wrong. For businesses, PayPal allows businesses to accept payments online, send invoices, and even set up subscriptions. Section 3. Where can you use PayPal? You can use PayPal on millions of websites, from Amazon alternatives to small e-commerce stores, and even for international transfers. It's accepted in over 200 countries and supports multiple currencies. Section 4. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use. Secure transactions. Great for online shopping and freelancing. Buyer and seller protection. Widely accepted. Cons: some fees for international transfers and currency conversion. Not ideal for large business transactions. Account holds can happen during disputes. Section 5. Should you use PayPal? If you shop online, send money to friends or family, or run a small business, PayPal is a solid tool to have in your digital wallet. It's easy to set up, widely trusted, and makes payments super convenient. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand PayPal better, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech explainers. Got questions or want a tutorial on how to set up PayPal? Drop a comment below.